Hi everyone, this video is a brief introduction of the presentation I'm going to give. And the topic of the presentation is a brief history of Chinese medicine. Normally, when we talk about the history of medicine, we will focus on the disease and how mankind fighting the disease and preventing the disease. But in this presentation, I like to do it slightly differently. It is because the Chinese medicine is mainly philosophy. I'm not the only one who say that. Many people say that. So Chinese medicine is not just medicine, but it's also a philosophy. From that philosophy, and it grows. So if you look at the medicine today, we have the modern medicine or the Western medicine. It's basically coming from the Greeks. And then we certainly have the Chinese medicine. But basically, these are the two major ones. Why is that? Is the native Indian has medicine? Of course they have. Like the Mayan, is the Mayan has a medicine? Of course they have. But why they don't become the major medicine in nowadays? Okay, that is because medicine is alive, and for thousands of years, for it to grow, there's something has to feed the creature. Okay, so that feed or that food is actually philosophy. Okay, so that's why I would like to look at the philosophy, Chinese philosophy, and how Chinese philosophy feeding the Chinese medicine so that we have a great medicine today. And one of the philosophy in Chinese medicine is preventing the disease. In Chinese, we call 养生. 养生 means nourishing life. So it basically what it means is you treat the disease before it comes. And of course, in the presentation, I will talk about a few doctors. These doctors as their virtues, has their own philosophy, and these great doctors will also shape the thinking of the medicines as well. So I would love to introduce them to you guys. And I hope you, by the time you will join me for the presentation. Until then, you guys enjoy the day and have a great health. Bye-bye.